Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator for your Google account. To set up Google Authenticator in your smartphone, at first we have to log into your Google account or Gmail account from other devices. Just like in my case I am logging to my Gmail account from laptop. Once you are logged into your Gmail account, just click on your profile icon which is located on top right corner and then click manage your Google account. Now you will able to see various options in the left hand side: home, personal info, data and privacy, security, people and sharing. Now click on security option and then you have to scroll down to how you sign into Google, and then you will find two-step verification option. Just you have to click on two-step verification. Now scroll down to second steps and then you will find option here authenticator. So this is the authenticator. You just need to click on it. Instead of waiting of text messages, get verification code from an authenticator app. It works even if your phone is offline. First, download Google Authenticator from Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Now click Setup Authenticator. Now you have to install Authenticator app in your smartphone and then open Authenticator and then scan this QR code. As you see, I have installed Authenticator app in my smartphone. Now I have to open it and then you will find a plus sign below of the screen. Just you have to click on plus button, then click scan QR code and then scan the QR code. Then you have to enter this code in your computer. Now click next button and then enter the code that generated in your Authenticator app and then click verify button. Now the Authenticator app has been set up. So friends, in this way you can set up Google Authenticator app in your smartphone. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.